Hi everyone. How to use Google Meet. First, create your Google account. Second, go to Google Classroom. Wait for your teacher to give the code. Click Join Class. Type the code that's given by your teacher. Welcome to your Google Classroom. How to enter in Google Meet. Click the link on your Google Classroom. Click Join Now. You can on and off the mic. You can on and off the camera. That is you. People in the room. You can chat in chat box. How to present. Click the box, then share. You are now presenting. And that's all. Thank you. And that's all. Thank you. And that's all. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And that's